Matt from UrbanSurvivaIist, and I thought we'd do something a little different today, and I would show you my Zippo collection. So, start off with this plain brushed chrome Zippo. It's pretty much as basic as it gets. Nothing fancy. Then we've got this one. It's called Weave Me Alone. It's a spider web with two spiders. This is my only black ice Zippo, so that's pretty cool. This next one is called Allegiance, and it's got an eagle and an American flag and this reflective blue. Very nice. This next one is called Patriotic Vision. It's got brushed chrome with the American eagle and red, white, and blue flag. I got this one in Washington, D.C., so cool. Here's another American flag Zippo. It says Made in USA on the top half right here. Next is my Punisher Zippo, and this actually started off as a brushed chrome Zippo, and then someone engraved this Punisher skull on. Zippo doesn't actually make a Punisher Zippo anymore. Next up is the American Hardcore Cowboy. Don't know if the camera is going to pick up the details. It's got a black finish, like a matte black. Next is the Trevco Flaming Skull. This has kind of a reflective black and this blue and white skull. This was actually my first Zippo. Next up is the Hazardous Zippo. It's got the Biohazard logo, blood splatter. I like this one a lot. Next is the skull with guitars. Got a kind of reflective black finish. We've got More Anarchy Zippo. They also make one with the red anarchy symbol. And then this one is called the Soul Crusher Zippo. It's also a brushed chrome with this skull and kind of tribal drawings on it. And then lastly is my oversized Zippo right here. Full functioning Zippo. I saw this on Cutlery Lover's channel, and here it is compared to a regular Zippo. So you can see it's gigantic. That's about it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.